Best Actor in 2007. Peter O'Toole, Leonardo DiCaprio, Forrest Whitaker, Will Smith. Now, do you remember it? The ceremony.
Yes.
Best Actor 2007.
That's it, it's just like a balls. His bottom. He's stuck there. He looked like one of them toys what you can't that move.
It's definitely not Peter O'Toole.
Open friend, please. I'm phone my good friend Joanne.
Joanne. Okay. Who's awesome?
You want camera dog?
30 seconds to the question, possible answers. You've still got a 50-50 if you want to find that, if you're still not happy. You could still take £5,000. So you go to the next question, you do not have to play. You go to the next question, give you a right answer. You lose £19,000. That's the downside. However, if question number 7 comes up and you get the right answer, you go away with at least £50,000. Question number 7 is this.
I'm really sure
For 3 years with Essex, fast bowler Darren Goff rejoined which county cricket team? That's for £50,000. These are the options.
That was so bad.
Middlesex,
That one in Bruno.
Ian,
No.
that's on the budget. Sue's not brilliant.
When he said he joined, I think he's only been with 2 teams.
Got 2 of them on there.
One of them's Essex.
No, I never get back Christmas. Shiny Halloween. Seed.
As you know, so
That's
as it
good.
goes.
Also, that was bad.
You get this wrong, you lose £19,000.
If you get this wrong, then you get into break.
What?
Serious business, guys. You have £20,000 for this one.
You sure? You're 100% sure, go for it. I don't know anything about it.
27 new times. 25 teams.
So there's no Gloucestershire, Warwickshire, Middlesex.
Yorkshire. Yorkshire.
Go for it then.
You've got to agree to it.
Do you want to go for it?
Yeah.
Kind of domestic, isn't it?
I
Yeah.
know answer that.
When it goes on, it's November. Yeah. How'd the rest of your honeymoon go if you were wrong?
Your partner's got 2 bedrooms.
At least I'll sleep with it either wrong. That's the right answer!
Didn't have a police station there. I think it's nice money. That's
Tell me about it. 50 grand.
He's gone back on the Monday. Yeah.
Please then.
Very.
It's a big reason.
Minimum amount you will go
Is that a bloody sound?
Very. Yes.
Very, very pleased.
Very.
You take it.
Yeah.
It's a struggle, isn't
But
it?
that was to go home with at least that amount of money. Question number 8 is worth £75,000. Just tell you this bit again. You will go home with at least £50,000. Question number 8 is 75 grand. And you are 5 away from 1 million. Have a look. This is question number 8 for the possible 12. Which band had fans known as Deadheads? Dead or alive? dead. Radio head. Lemon heads. Dead heads. Well, you might as well play it because it's worth 75 and you can't lose.
I've never heard of the lemon heads.
Yes,
Dead or alive?
Very full
I don't
house.
know much of them.
they're in the eggs, isn't it?
Who?
Like a woman. Yeah, well, this time you spin around.
Sure.
Well, because dead, no, dead or alive, but the dead will probably like a thing like a gold one, doesn't it? I just think deadheads.
Not Radiohead.
No. Oh, it's a guess, so. Go ahead. Can't lose, can they?
No. We'll go for, seeing as he got the answer right, it's just a 50 grand. I think we'll go with what Ian says. B.
Please.
Grateful Dead.
Yeah.
But anyway, go see the couple of minutes next time. So we'll meet a millionaire Dandelion.
Is precious. So we imagined a full high-definition television that captures twice the picture frames per second for outstanding motion reproduction. All surrounded by a stunning design. With the new Samsung F8 full high-definition LCD TV, you won't miss the details of the moments that matter most.
When I'm not covering school, I like to have lunch with everything.
It's
Made in the store that day, with ingredients picked in the store that day. Same with salads. Pick it fresh in the store, makes it fresh on the day. I only know one street where I can get all that. This one.
Every day, in over 250 stores, Morrison's make and prepare more food than any other supermarket. When a sore throat makes you faint into the background,
Yeah, but that was so funny when you first
Strepsils
came down
really
with the
soothes
cast.
pain fast, so you can feel like yourself again. But also contains active ingredients that keep you working,
I just got a bloody towel in
The cat.
and working
Then you
even
got
after
my
the
house to
lozenge
stop
has gone.
under
Stress,
crying unit in the
first aid,
kitchen instead of the new 3
This magazine from 0800 376 7711 now. Or go online. ING Direct is your money.
Looking for a home? Visit primelocation.com. No other website has all the properties from the country's leading estate agents. Everything. Townhouses, country houses, flats, new homes and properties abroad. So if you're looking to buy or rent, visit primelocation.com. And if you're selling or letting, make sure you choose a prime location agent.